Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 56 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In our previous videos, we have a discussion around ASP.NET Core hosting. We already covered concepts like web server, how request flows from browser to server, etc. In the previous video, we talked about Kestrel, and in this video, we will talk about ASP.NET Core module, ANCM for IIS. All these previous videos are related, so requesting you to please watch previous videos as well. I will share the link in the description. Let's read the definition first. So as per Microsoft, the ASP.NET Core module, ANCM, is a native IIS module. So what is native IIS module here means? It means a native IIS module is a DLL, or you can say a piece of software that can be used to extend IIS in order to provide the desired functionality of your application. Alright, just like if you have to add JSON functionality in your project, you just go to NuGet and add newtonsoft.json NuGet package. Right, simple. Similarly, here native IIS module is Win32 DLL, which we can add in IIS to extend functionality of IIS. IIS is also a piece of software, right? Simple, extremely simple. So the ASP.NET Core module, ANCM, is a native IIS module that plugs into the IIS pipeline, allowing the ASP.NET Core application to work with IIS. What does this mean? We are using traditional .NET, .NET framework for such a long time. And IIS was launched somewhere in the year 2003. And .NET Core is launched somewhere in 2016. So IIS is not ready to run the .NET Core application by default. So to make a .NET Core application run via IIS, Microsoft provide a piece of software, or DLL, or you can say what we just learned, native IIS module, or you can call it a package for simplicity, whatever you prefer, which fits within the IIS pipeline and manage functionality responsible to handle .NET Core code. For now, just understand when I refer to what fits into the IIS pipeline. IIS has various modules responsible to perform some task. Just like we have different methods, or you can say DLL, to perform a specific task, IIS also has various modules. So to make a .NET Core application run, you need to add another module, and Microsoft named it ASP.NET-Core module. Now the latest version is called ASP.NET-Core module V2. V2 is for version 2. So this ASP.NET-Core module fits into IIS pipeline, and because of this approach, adding another DLL or module, it does not change the default behavior of IIS. The rest of the pipeline remains the same. Again, similar to your own project, if you have ever created a plugin architecture, you just plug in your new module, or you can say DLL or jar file. The project or framework you created will implement that functionality. If not, think of it like a video game we played. We just change cassettes. Not sure whether you have played video games via PlayStation or not, but I don't think of a better example here. Here, if you have to play Contra, you plug in your Contra game cassette. And if you want to play Mario, you plug in your Mario cassette. Similarly, if you want to use .NET with IIS, .NET Core with IIS, just plug in this ANCM module. Simple. So if you have used IIS before, after installing ASP.NET Core module, you will not find any change in behavior or use case. Your previously created website's app pool will work as it is. Alright? Simple, extremely simple. So the next question is, how to install ASP.NET Core module and inject it into the IIS pipeline? The answer is simple. Just download a piece of software from the Microsoft site and install it. Let's see that. But before, let's visit IIS first. Go to its module. And you can see I sorted this list alphabetically, and there is no ASP.NET Core module in the list, right? Let's install ASP.NET Core module, and to download, let's go to the Microsoft site. Here, you can find information about ANCM and you can find a link to download this software. Let's download and install this software. Do it by yourself. Similar to any other software installation, no input is required in this installer. I will share this link in the description. By the time I'm creating this playlist, more versions of .NET Core launched, so download the latest one. Alright. Once you install this software, again revisit the module section of IS. And you can see now we have ASPNETCORE module v2, which means your IS is now ready to run the ASP.NET Core application. Simple, extremely simple. Alright then, that's it in this video. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in the comments. Till then, thanks for watching.